Do you know the difference between many and much? No doubt that most of you know. But there are some people that are still confused between the two. Why we use many instead of much? This video is for you. I will single out the reasons why we use many instead of much and vice versa. If you want to learn more, then keep on watching. Let's start with the word many. It is used when we talk about plural countable nouns. Do you remember countable nouns? These are the nouns that can be counted, like rooms, flowers, houses, etc. Examples. My mango tree bears many fruits. I use many here because we could count mango fruits. Can't we? Another example. How many apples did you get? So again, we're talking about apples. Apples are countable nouns. Much, on the other hand, is used for uncountable nouns. Once again, many for countable nouns, much for uncountable nouns. What are uncountable nouns? These are the nouns that cannot be counted, like money. Oh, wait a minute. We can count money, can't we? Of course we could. However, the word money itself is uncountable, like water, sugar, sand, and a lot more. However, if you use currency like pesos, dollars, euros, yep, these are countable nouns. I hope I made myself clear. Okay, so let's continue. And here are some examples. I don't have much money. How many dollars do you have? Now let's compare much and many. I don't have much money. How many dollars do you have? How much money do you have? I hope you could see the difference. Please take note. Much is used in negative sentences. Yes, you heard it right. So here is an example. I don't have much time. But if you want to use it in a positive sentence, you have to use these words. So, as, or to. Here are some examples. She spent too much time with his hubby. This is an example of a positive sentence. You cannot see negative words in there. We can use it by adding to, much. Another example. I have so much work to do. Again, it's a positive sentence, but in order to be correct, we have to use so before much. Another example is, I care as much as you do. I hope this is already clear. Let's have a review. Many is used for countable nouns. Much is used in uncountable nouns and also in negative sentences. If you want to use much in positive sentences, we have to use so, as, or to. See you in my next video. Bye!